Welcome to WebStar Press. How to integrate VS Code inside React.js application. For example, you might want to enable your site users to quickly try out some code or write small programs. Alternatively, you may wish to include a code editor within your dashboard for fast and efficient editing directly on your site. In this case, having a code editor integrated into your website can provide significant value. So, this is a web-based VS Code, so we can try to integrate it. Its URL is vscode.dev. For quick and simple integration, we can use iframe and use its web URL as iframe source. But as you can see, it refused to connect. So we cannot rely on this method. Websites have content security policy settings that prevent them from being loaded inside iframes. Also, using iframe can introduce security concerns such as clickjacking. So this method failed. We have a good alternative though. To integrate the Visual Studio Code editor inside your React application, you can use the Monaco editor, which is the core editor component used in Visual Studio Code. It offers regular as well as difference editor interface. Highly customizable with these options: language support, theme support, and much more. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you integrate it. For React, this is its npm package. Install it in React application by using npm i monaco editor / react. After that, import editor from package and use it inside JSX like this. It's got light and dark themes as well. It's highly customizable. It can load code from file and display it. Let's do that. I have test.jsx file inside the app. We will load this file in this editor. To do that, import useState and useEffect hooks, declare state. Inside useEffect, get the file. We did not import this file here because then it will be imported as module. We want it as a file, so we are fetching it as file and storing it in text response. Then we have updated this state. Now code from that file is living inside this state, and we can access that state as value of this editor. Like this, value is coming from state now. Now editor value is being retrieved from state and is being stored in state. We can use a button to get that value. So here we have button on click, handle save, and here is that handle save function, console.log code, or send this data to this server or save it locally. And here is the result. See how many options it's got: width and height, theme, dark, light, HC black, language, value, options, select on line numbers, rounded selection, read only, false or true, auto indent, code lens, context menu, cursor blinking, quick suggestions, word wrap, minimap, line numbers, auto closing brackets, auto closing quotes, format on type, tab size. Now we have used onChange property here that will update the state. So you can customize it according to your need. Inspect, console. If I click save code button, here we've got this text from the file. And if we change it, we've got updated code here. So this package has detailed instructions with code sandboxes to help you get started with it. Also, their GitHub page has guides to help you with. Okay, so this is how you can integrate VS Code kind of editor into your React projects. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.